Okay, wireless charging. Have you heard of it? You might have already known what we're going to see in this video. So let's get into the video. So, I think all of you might have heard of wireless charging. Everybody must surely know it, and it's a very good thing that has been done for phones which are being mobilized, like carried out very quickly, or if people who are in a hurry, wireless charging would be very useful. And today we are going to unbox a product which is a wireless charging pad. So here's it. So, and here's the product, which is RECONNECT's wireless charging pad. So it says over here, compatible with QI enabled smartphones, and at the back side it says, so wireless charging pad, wireless hassle-free charging, rubberized finish, charging indication through glowing LED ring, anti-slip grip and feet for secure charging, 1 meter charging cable, and 5V, there is 2A DC input and 5V 1A DC output. So very good, it's a very nice thing. So let's unbox it. So now we'll get into the unboxing. So hands on, get ready. It will be unboxed soon. Wow, nice packaging. So here's the cover, and here's the RECONNECT wireless charging pad. So let's remove it. Wow, it's nice and rubberized as it was given in the back side of this box, and nice feel. So let's see what are the other packages. And there's a micro USB charging cable for your friends, and a information manual and warranty card. Okay, so and let's test this using 3 phones which support wireless charging. Okay, so it can be plugged in into any USB compatible adapter. So I'm fixing it here. Then the wire should be just plugged in like this, and then plugged in to the charging pad. So now we can plug the micro USB to this side of the wireless charging pad, and now we can switch on the switch in the board. So after you switch on, you get a sound like this, and there are lightings around it, which I will show you after switching off one light. So one light is off, and we're going to charge 2 products only. I said by mistake 3 products. We're going to charge 2 products on this wireless charging pad. So these are the 2 products which we're going to test, and the 2 products are